Okay, a brief demonstration and review of the JOYO R21 Overdrive pedal, or the Jose de Castro signature Overdrive pedal. I've never heard of the guy, but he can play. So, I've got my custom built SG going through my pedal board. There's nothing on in my pedal board, it's just I'm an ampless setup, so it's going through my HX stomp with just a clean amp and cab, so it sounds like this. There's no other effects on. In fact, I might just stick on a bit of reverb just to make it a bit nicer, because once you get into the overdrive, just a smidgen of reverb sounds a bit nice. So without further ado, let's turn the pedal on. So to start with, I'll put a cut out of the pedal maybe up here or somewhere. There's a nice big space up there, so I'll put a cut out. I'm filming it over here as well. So first of all, let's turn it on. Pretty decent overdrive sound, that. So that's with everything at, pretty much everything at exactly 12 o'clock. So the controls, you've got the bass, the treble, the drive, the boost, which has a separate switch to engage, and then overall volume. I'm going to leave the overall volume at 12 the whole time, but then we might just tweak the other settings a little bit. So yeah. Just the basic overdrive, and this is a kind of a budget pedal JOYO. I think it's like a love 'em or you hate 'em sort of thing, but some people, I think, just you get a bit of a cheap pedal. Sometimes people think, oh, they're not that good, but this sounds pretty good to me. So the controls, let's have a bit of a dive into the controls then. So the bass, I'm not so keen on the bass control actually. If you ramp it, let's just show you the extreme, let's ramp it right up. It really does it. It's not bad actually, that is. Turn it all the way down. Pedal on the floor. I do prefer more of a trebly sound of an overdrive, so excuse my terrible playing. I'll put the bass back to the middle and tweak the treble. Let's go all the way up. That's a bit more my sort of speed. It's a bit extreme, that, isn't it? Let's go all the way down. Both of them down, just see what we get here. Still on my bridge pickup here. My guitar is cleverly wired the wrong way around because I built it. If I go to the neck pickup, we're really muffled now. If we go the other way, so bridge pickup, all the way up, all the way up. So pretty good. So I think I tweaked it a bit before I had when I was just demoing this pedal myself. But then we got the drive knob as well. So drive, obviously we take it right down, get more of a crunchy sound. But if we ramp it all the way up. It's not bad as a basic overdrive. Quite a lot of versatility with the being able to drop the bass down nice low, the treble up high. You've really got a nice sweep of sounds here. And then we've also got the drive as well. So let's just that's in the middle setting at the moment. So let's knock that on. Nice little boost there, and then let's boost the boost all the way up. Let's see what this thing can do. isn't it? So I'm knocking this all over the place, aren't I? It's definitely doing a bit. Again, I'm just maybe tweaking the middle. Well, there you go, the R21 from JOYO. Definitely worth a go if you're after a bit of a budget overdrive pedal with quite a bit of versatility to it. Have a go.
I just want to give a quick demo of what this Fat Rat can sound like. This is my natural tone Fender P bass, Squire P bass. Look how gnarly this sounds. Isn't that badass? This is my favorite sound. This is what these rats are known for. Isn't that badass? It's got the different clipping options. Isn't that rad? I can see why so many people love this pedal.
It was so easy to just get the sound away from it. Change that setting on to always a good today. You've got your power supply in, you've got lights there and there so you can see it. That setting is perfect and it gives you just enough of a boost to give you that extra level that you need to get solo powers through. I would highly recommend it. And for people like myself that MIV, these are high squealy pickups normally. With that, just set on just a little bit. 0 squeals from it, like 0. I highly recommend this.